Good morning, it's me again. Now I've got a little project for myself to do today. Now I put this thumb on, which is a great thumb, don't get me wrong, the other week. But because there's a gap in between the weld there and the weld there, it tends to spring in between. So what I've done, I've gone out and bought some flat bar. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a piece and put it in between and fill that gap up. Now the gap's there because of on the knuckle here, it's a little bit thicker than it is on the actual boom itself. So what we're going to do, as you say, is going to cut a piece of metal, put it in there as a shim, then weld it all up. I've got my trusted welder with me. Now I don't know if anyone's had an inverter welder before. Now this thermal arc is the bee's knees. I like it for everything. It does, it does really well, good welding, But what I'm going to do now is cut this video and just give you an idea of how it springs. I've got a log I'm going to put in it and close up on it and show you what I mean. Anyway, let's just cut the video there. There we go. One for each side. One this side, one that side. Right, we'll disconnect the battery from, so when we're arc welding we're not doing anything wrong with electricity. Well, there you go, that's one side done. Just got to do the other side now. I'll clean it off with a wire brush, I think, first. Well, there you go. Fully welded both sides. benefits of fun. just got to tell you, I got the as you can see the sign now, the thumb from Dig Bits. Excellent site. I think it's the better thumb than some of the ones you see cheap on eBay, but it's a substantial piece of kit. Now it's not hydraulic, I know, but it does everything I need. So anyway, back to the video. Now then, you see the benefits of the thumb. It's holding onto a bit of wood. We knock it off. Oh, there you go. But if you want to pick trees up or move stuff, having the thumb is a great idea. Now, obviously, this could be swung up and pinned up here out of the way, or taken off if you're just doing digging. But it's an handy. I think the Americans come up with it. You guys in America, thank you very much. And anyway, I hope you liked it. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up for me. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the video, to the channel even. But thanks a lot for coming along. And I know it's a bit different from tractors. It's something I've been meaning to do for a long time, and now I've just quickly done it. It's a lovely day in England, and it's a bit overcast, but there you go. As I say, thanks again for coming along.